Hey dolls, Maria here with Sephora Hollywood in Highland. Today I'll be showing you my nighttime skincare routine for oily and acne prone skin. If you want to see what products I use, keep watching. Alright guys, so first I'm going to go ahead and start off by removing the lash. I really like to go ahead and just kind of pull in the center of my eye and then very gently pull to the side. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the Sephora Collection Waterproof Eye Makeup Remover. First I'm going to shake it up and then go ahead and pour some onto a cotton round. Next, I really like to make sure just to let this sit for about 10 seconds before wiping, and this is just going to ensure that you're not tugging and pulling on your eye. So again, just let it rest for a little bit if you still have more eye makeup, but no pulling. And repeating the same thing on the other side, again, just holding it for 10 seconds and then wiping away. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and break down my makeup. I'm going in with the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm. Now grabbing a dime-size amount, I'm going to melt it into my hands and work it into my skin in circular motions. Going directly onto dry skin, I do this until my makeup has melted off. This Holy Grail Cleansing Balm instantly melts my makeup, removes impurities, and gently exfoliates my skin. Now going in with a damp washcloth, I am going to go ahead and gently remove all my makeup. And remember, when you're at home, you could just go ahead and use your sink. Alright dolls, next I'm going to go ahead and double cleanse. I'm going in with the Kate Somerville Eradicate Daily Cleanser Acne Treatment. So now I'm just making sure my skin is a little damp. I'm going to go ahead and apply a dime-size amount and work it all over my skin. Alright, and just making sure that we are avoiding the eye area. So ever since I started using this cleanser, I've never had a breakout and I've never looked back. So I'll get stuff here and there, but nothing like before. Then once again going in with my washcloth and just removing the excess cleanser. Alright, next going in with my Ulla Hendrickson Glow 2O Dark Spot Toner. Now pouring it onto a cotton round, then going in and massaging it all over my face, avoiding the eye area. Now this must-have toner targets dark spots, fine lines, and wrinkles, and brightens my skin. And guys, I love it. Now moving on to my fresh black tea kombucha antioxidants essence, pouring a quarter-size amount onto my palms and then massaging it all over my face. Once I finish massaging, I like to press it all over just to ensure that the product really absorbs into my skin. So this amazing essence has 8 different benefits to it, including pollution defense and minimizing pores for a smooth, luminous skin. Next, using Ulla Hendrickson Truth Serum. Applying 1 to 2 pumps onto my hands and rubbing it together, then massaging it all over my face. And this here smells just like oranges. It literally makes skincare just a lot more enjoyable. So this serum is a multivitamin for all skin infused with vitamin C, which helps to lighten, brighten, and tighten the skin. Moving on to my Drunk Elephant Seed Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream. Now using a pea-sized amount and applying it directly to my ring finger for a more gentle application. Now I love this eye cream because it brightens, firms, and restores underneath my eye, and it also works amazing underneath makeup, and you can use it AM and PM. Alright dolls, next going in with the fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Dream Night Cream. Taking a dime-sized amount, I'm applying it all over my face in sweeping motions, and again finishing off with pressing motions. And dolls, don't forget to bring this all the way down to the neck. And I love to finish off with this night cream because it detoxifies while I sleep, so when I wake up in the morning, my skin appears smoother and more radiant. Alright dolls, lastly, we cannot forget the lips. Going in with Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. Grabbing a pea-sized amount, I directly apply it to my lips and smooth it out with my finger. Guys, I'm obsessed with this lip mask because it locks in moisture and softens my lips. And it smells like berries. Alright dolls, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Please go ahead and comment below your favorite product for your oily skin. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!